In the name of International News Media and AWI TV, this is Awi Bayari welcoming you to another edition of Public Affairs. Lo and behold, I'm here beside JC Regino. He is the son of April Boy Regino. I'm so emotional because I had interviewed your father years ago, and since I do correspondence work and media work, I happened to talk to Ken, and he told me he had a concert.
Opo, we have a concert.
And then he
here po.
mentioned a concert of some Regino. I said, oh, April Boy is here. And it was shocking for me to learn that he had passed away. Anyway, JC Regino, I'd like to say that you're the wonderful father.
Ay, salamat po, Miss Awi. Thank you so much
Thank
po
you.
for remembering
Yes.
my dad. Thank you so much po talaga.
JC, what do you most remember about your father?
Everything kasi po, we've been together for so long. He's the one who teach me how to sing, to stand up to the audience, and to write songs, even the guitar. He knows, he's the one who teach me how to play guitar po.
So you actually were so talented, like your dad when you were young, and you wanted to become a singer?
Yeah, syempre po
follow his
na-inspired talaga po kay Daddy.
Yes.
Panahon pong yun. Kasi syempre, nakikita ko po siya. When I see him performing to a lot of people, everybody's like his music, tas sumisigaw sila.
Yeah.
Yun po na, sabi ko, ang galing ng daddy ko. I'm so proud of my dad. And yun nga, siguro dahil din sa dugo namin na mga Regino, sa music talaga po. Yung pagmamahal namin sa music, hindi po nawala talaga.
At so, tinuruan ka rin ng ama mo ng pag-compose ng mga awit, ganun ba?
Opo.
O it came very natural?
Yeah. Nung una po kasi, hindi pa talaga po ako marunong kumanta. Natuto po muna akong magsulat ng kanta.
Really?
Opo, 14 years old po ako nung time na yun. Tapos, nung una nga, nagalit pa sa si daddy kasi yung unang kinompose ko, pinarinig ko sa kanya.
Yeah.
Eh, bata pa po ako. Sabi niya, ano ba ang compose mo? Eh, pang ano po kasi, heartbroken. Akala niya heartbroken ako. Saka English, kaya hindi namin maintindihan parehas. So, yun. And then, after that, yak ako, syempre, akala ko, kasi nga, napagalitan niya ako, akala kasi heartbroken. Then, the next song that I wrote po, is nagustuhan niya na inspirational po siya. Tapos, ginawa po namin, ginuwet po namin yun, nilabas po namin sa Viva Records that time. Kinuha kami ni Boss Vic. Opo, tapos yun nga, na unang first duet po namin is kinanta namin yung Di Na Ako Ibig Pang Muli Na Ako po nagsalat. Di na ako iibig pang muli.
Boses na boses mo, father. Oh my
yun.
goodness, naisalin talaga sa iyo ng gusto. So since then, talagang pinursigi mo na ang pag-awit?
Opo, nung syempre, enjoy lang. Gusto ko lang magsulat.
Yeah.
Tapos, hanggang sa talagang sobrang love na love ko na po kasi nakasama ko daddy ko sa lahat eh. Sa bahay, barkada kami. Tapos, sa entablado, sa labas, magka-partner kami kasi duet kami parehas. So, lahat talaga magkasama kami. So, kaya nga nung nawala si dad nung time na, talagang sobrang iyak ko talaga. Sobrang miss ko si daddy ko.
We're talking to JC Regino, the son of the great April Boy Regino, and he's here today talking about his dad. We'll continue after these words from our sponsor. Thank you. Ngayon naman,